Good afternoon. It is September 25th, 2024, and today we had this. It's looking like a range day right now. Most of the day was in this bear channel. Not a whole lot of trades in here unless you're going to be super aggressive. One thing I want to note is that on the 17,000 tick chart, it looks like you might be getting a nice little short setup. I'd like going short below this bar right here after this leg down. Uh, and maybe you just look for a lower high on this chart. I would probably just consider taking this right here because you got this like triple top. I'd probably just put my stop above that. But we can take a quick look at this in the overnight. Prices were in a channel moving up, and it looked like we got a buy climax, sideways, buy climax, sideways, buy climax, and that's it's like a parabolic wedge top type thing, and then you get a triple top right there, and prices go back to the EMA, and they go make a second leg down to go below the EMA. So I think the argument could be made for going short here. I know I went short in a similar situation on the lower time frame, and it was in here, and it was just too early. And you get this lower high. I don't think you want to. Yeah, it's a range. I mean, you could consider going short right there. It's a nice strong close, so there's reason to like that, but probably better to just wait on a lower high or something. And we go a little more sideways up here, and then it's really just sideways over here. And then we hit the low of this channel, boom, come to the highs of this channel. And I wouldn't go short here because at this point I'd be playing it like a range until we get this lower high right here. And at that point you could start playing it like a trend channel. So for that reason, you make a new low right here, but maybe you look at this as a two-legged pullback, and maybe you consider that right there. Failed second entry long right there, but it's just sideways stuff. And then finally you get a strong leg down, so that's a sell climax. Then we get two legs up, sideways, sell climax, leg up, and then we test that low. So if you got a good signal bar there, I think that's a very reasonable wedge bottom to take, because we're at the bottom of the range and we just had a few overshoots of this potential channel. But on my chart, I didn't get a good signal bar. And you can see plenty of people have the same thinking as me, and you get a little rally, and then you get a sell-off. And I like this failed second entry long because this looks like the first convincing break of this channel, and maybe we're getting a move to a new low. And it doesn't make a new low, but pretty strong move down. And then we bounce. And this doesn't make a new low, this bull signal bar. But if you want to be a little more aggressive, you're at these lows. There's a lot of support here. Maybe you go long. And now we're pretty much just going sideways. So that's how I saw it today. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.